Hi everybody, I hope you're doing well. Well, if you are staying inside and you're looking for something to do, I have some great DIY and craft ideas for you, and chances are you might have some of the items needed for the DIY projects lying around your house. First, we're going to start with acrylic painting. Take acrylic paints and pour them in a cup. Once it's done on a canvas, you're going to flip it over, hold it, let it go, and then go back and forth with your design. This is called acrylic pour painting. For our next project, take a balloon. You can use Mod Podge or just regular glue. Cut out some colored tissues and start to layer them on top of the balloon. You're going to continue to do this all the way around so it looks like the shape of a bowl. And then once you have your full bowl laid out, you are going to continue and repeat this for about 5 to 6 layers. Then you're going to let it dry. Once it's dried overnight, pop the balloon, take it out, and then start to cut it in the shape of a bowl. There you have your own DIY bowl. And for our next project, take some pony beads, the clear kind, and in a non-stick cupcake baking pan, lay out your designs. You can create any designs you want. When that's done, put it in the oven, bake at 375 for about 20 minutes, and then keep checking after that. Make sure your house is well ventilated, or you can also cook it outside on a grill or in a toaster oven outside. Once it's cooled, they'll slip right out like this. The ones that are less cooked have bubbles, the others are flat. Use a drill and you can make holes in them. Make sure you wear a glove and securely hold that because you could cut your finger if it gets loose. Tie them on strings, and there you have your own DIY sun catchers. Thank you so much for watching. Of course, I'd love you to subscribe and turn on those post notifications so you can find out our next DIY project. We'll see you next time. Bye.